Hello friends, welcome to IT Technology Official. Friends, today we will discuss how to insert page number in Microsoft Word. Friends, sometime we are preparing a document or we are writing a thesis or something else, then we need to insert page number because when once we have a multiple page number like 40, 50 or more than 10 pages, then we need to page number so we can make arrangement accordingly. So the page number option is very important. I will tell you how we can insert page number in Microsoft Word. First of all, you have to run Microsoft Word. Like we have a file, we will click on it. Friends, here are a file and it has one page. We want to make it 2 page. We will copy this text in second page, so it make 2 to 3 page, so we have better idea about page numbering. To insert page numbers, we have to go to insert menu. Okay, then we have to find out page numbers. Here are different options like top of the page. Here are sample, like we can align left, mid or right, and these are different options. We can insert page number accordingly. Same as bottom of the page, so we will insert page number at bottom of page at right side. Okay, page 1, 2 and 3. And if we do not want to insert page number at first page, then we will check this option, different first page, and it will not show at, you can see friend, you can see at first page the page numbering are not shown. Friend, as you have seen on the books, or you have prepared presentation or thesis, on title page no page number are displayed or shown. So that's why we check this option, like different first page. If we uncheck this option, then you can see the page number are shown here. So if you don't want to show page number here, you can check this option and this page number is not shown here, but it will be counted, and page number 2 and page number 3 total page numbers are same, but it will not shown on page number 1. These are header of top and footer of bottom. We can also set header and footer on header and bottom, like you can see here. Here you see this is below, more below, and we can, if we want to up, then it can be upside. So by default it's 0.5, and we can change page from bottom or header from top according to our requirement. So this is the option. And if you want to insert page 1, and we will give this page as a title page, Friends, we have inserted a cover page from this cover page to make this document sound better. And if we want to insert page number from here, then we select and insert page numbering. Like this, and if we want to start this page number from here, we can go to page number, format page number, and start at like continue from previous section, or we can ask to start from page number 5. Okay friends, here you will see page number, it's starting from page number 5, 6 and 7. So we can start page number according to our requirement. Friends, this is the procedure how we can insert page number in our document. I think you understand all the procedure. If you are facing any issue while inserting page number, you can ask me in comments. I will help out and give your answer. Thank you. Bye.